We just used a command button, or a button if you will, in conjunction with a checkbox. Now we're just going to use the checkbox to be the trigger itself. So let's get the command button. I like the code that I see here. What I don't like is that you have to click a silly button. So I'm going to Control C, copy that to the clipboard, and I'm going to ditch this, and I'm going to ditch the button anyways. Double click on the checkbox 1, and I'm going to paste it. So if me.checkbox1 is true, then we love birds too, and otherwise you should like birds. It's going to be triggered by the click event of itself. So if you click the checkbox, you'll change it to another message or another macro. So there's a click event for these. There are a lot of events really. There are change events, meaning if you hit the spacebar instead of necessarily using a mouse to click it. There's double click events. We've been over that. You know what that is. Got focus, key down, key press, and key up, and lost focus. Those are all having to do with whether you're selecting or clicking, and in the case of key up and down, or the mouse up and down as well, is like what shift or alt or control keys are you holding. And then there's the mouse move. So these are all very familiar terms here, so I'm not going to go over each event anymore. But that's what you can do with this. So instead of using a button all the time, you use the actual thing itself. So if you click this and certain other conditions are true, you might have a macro go, hey, are you sure you want to click that? And give them some options. So I'm going to click it away, and it says you should like birds. I'm going to click it, and it's going to say, hey, we love birds too. That's the click event for a checkbox.